Transferring a Squarespace website to WordPress involves a few important steps to ensure a smooth transition. Set up WordPress. First, you will need a hosting provider that supports WordPress. Install WordPress on your hosting account, which can typically be done using one-click installation through providers like Bluehost or SiteGround. Export content from Squarespace. Go to Settings, Advanced, Import or Export in your Squarespace dashboard. Click Export and select the WordPress icon. Squarespace will generate an XML file containing most of your content, such as blog posts and pages, which you will download. Import content into WordPress. Log into your WordPress dashboard, go to Tools, Import and choose the WordPress option. Upload the XML file exported from Squarespace. The content will be imported into your WordPress site. Recreate design and layout. Since the design won't transfer, choose a WordPress theme that suits your new website's look. You will need to manually rebuild pages and customize the layout using WordPress page builders or theme settings. Redirect and update domain. If you're using a custom domain, update your DNS settings to point to the new WordPress hosting provider. Set up 301 redirects in Squarespace to maintain SEO rankings and ensure users are directed to the new site.